What's good, guys? This is Yasin here, and I'm back with another video. And I'm trying to find a refrigerator that I built so I can show you how to open basics, but it might take a while, so I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so I finally found it right there. See ya. See? Looking out. Look. I don't think I got him golden apples, but let me show you how to basics. So, the first thing that you want to do is get a lever, golden apple, dispenser, iron door, pressure plate, a pressure plate, and whatever kind of pressure plate you want. And no, not a lever. Put the lever back. And iron. Okay. So put the iron down like this first. This is how I do it. Doesn't matter how when you do it, but let me get some more food. Put them in the do. Cause your girl do. She looking like a fool. Comment down below what shoutouts I should do if y'all don't know what to do. Or you could just get it for some other subscribers, but I'm supposed I might as well get it from me. Because I probably need some help with it too. I'll probably make my best, but just help me, guys. So comment down. I hope y'all listening. But please just comment, subscribe, and like. Okay, you can't. This might take a while, so I'll be right back again. Okay, guys, so I'm back. I got cookies, 2 golden apples, 64. What is this? Cooked rabbit and some raw beef. So then when you do that, you want to put a door down. It's not going to be a real refrigerator, but I'm supposed you might as well do this. Almost up. And then put the lever, and then there you go. Hold up. So you got a raw rabbit. See ya. Hold up, let me go to sleep. Let me show you my house I built. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my god. My phone needs a charge. My tablet needs a charge. But yeah, this is the end of our video. Did you enjoy? Please leave a like. Please give a like. Please leave a like. Please subscribe. Please subscribe. Please subscribe. And please comment. Please comment. Please comment to tell me more things y'all want me to do. But yeah. And this your boy Yasin TV signing out. And peace. Hold on, let me go to bed. I might show y'all a tour of my houses, so give y'all more information right now.